Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I wanted to thank all of you who attended the Fall Open Garden for making it such a successful and joyful experience. It was such a pleasure to get to meet people who actually watch these videos and really enjoy them. And I can't tell you how much that means to me to have people make the effort to come here and walk the gardens and learn from my mistakes and failures. So I hope you'll enjoy this compilation video of some of the moments that we captured during the Fall Open Garden that was just a few days ago. Well, I hope that this video brought you all a bit of cheer. I appreciate so much to all of you who came to visit, and I look forward to greeting you again at the Spring Open Garden, which will be the second Saturday of May in 2023. And I look forward to making lots more videos as the fall season progresses so that we can all garden and grow together. Take care, everybody. Thanks so much.